Alrighty, my friends, quick after work trip, doing some set rig fishing, man. Fall is finally here in our little corner of paradise, and it is feeling amazing out right now. See ya. All right, first line out. We're just doing one setup today because this is a quick trip. Let's see what happens. Got Boo Boo with me. Dang it, that was a good hit. I'm not sure what just happened there. Dang it. Well, I didn't know we weren't filming, but we got one, y'all. We got something small to get us started. Got something small to get us started. Little Jackie Jack. Little Jackie Jack. I'll take that, little buddy. Thanks for the catch. See ya. This is all slacked out. We might have something here, I don't know. Yeah, I think we got something. Yeah, we got something. Come on, what's it gonna be? Ooh, there's a first for me, y'all. Sheepshead. Boo Boo, sheepshead. Sheepshead? Yeah. This is my first Atlantic sheepshead, you guys. And it's not a bad one. He's probably almost keeper. Nah, he's probably like 10, 11. So about an inch shy of keeper. But heck yeah. Add that to my list of firsts over here on the Space Coast. Yeah, we'll get you set up, buddy. Heck yeah. It's getting to be that time of year, my friends. We will find some sheepshead in the surf. Wasn't really expecting it, but heck yeah, cool catch, man. Let's get this guy back. Yeah, buddy. See ya. Yeah, there we go. There's something decent. There's another fishy. Yeah, that might be another sheepshead, y'all. Heck yeah. What do we got? What do we got? Stay with me here. What the heck is this? What in the heck is that? Y'all, I don't even know what this is. You guys, I have no idea what that is. Somebody tell me what that is, because I am not sure. Not sure what that little guy is. Thanks, buddy. Yep, that's a fish. Do we get another sheepy? No, it's a margate. All kinds of random stuff today, folks. I think that's a margate. I'm pretty sure that's a margate. If it is, it's my first margate. This trip is completely random, you guys. This is freaking awesome. Catching all these species. I didn't even know what the last fish was. Caught that sheepshead. Now we got a margate. Take that, buddy. Thank you. Let me know. I'm pretty sure that's a margate. It's not a drum. So if it's not a margate, y'all let me know what it is. Thanks, buddy. Fish? Yeah, we got a fish. Something decent. All right. Something decent. What do we got here, folks? See if we can continue our multi-species day. This feels okay. I can't really tell what it's doing. It's running a little bit to the left here. So, could be good. Could be a pomper. I'd be really happy if it was. But it is a pomp. It is a pomp. That's more of what we're looking for, folks. Yeah, he's probably right on the brink. Probably not gonna make it, so we'll just go ahead and get him back, but easy, boss. All right, my friends, not a bad little pomp. Yeah, he's about 9 or 10, so not quite. They got to be 12, but heck yeah, man. What a cool little after work trip. Just coming out here, catching a bunch of different species after work, man. I cannot complain about that. All right, buddy. Thanks for the catch. Look at this beautiful freaking view we got here, my friends. Just absolutely gorgeous. There we go. There we go. There's a good one. There's a good one, y'all. Yep, there's a real good fish. Heck yeah, real good fish. This might be a keeper. Yep, let's go. Decent fish here for sure. Let's go. Come on, baby. Keeper Pompano, come on. Come on. Where's he at? Can't tell. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Good fish, y'all. Real good fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, come on. Ah, just a jack. Ah, I thought it was a pompano.
That's all that was?
Hi, buddy.
Damn, those things are strong.
Heck yeah, they are.
Crazy, man. That thing looked like it was pulling like...
Oh, it was, but I thought it was a big pompano.
Wild.
Easy, bud. Easy, bud.
What kind of fish is it?
It's a jack crevalle.
A what?
Jack crevalle. Most people just call it a jack, but...
Is it the kind you eat or no?
Nope.
No.
Nope.
Not that guy.
See you, bud. You're going back in the water.
That's right.
That thing is strong for its size.
Well, my friends, we got super excited there. Thought we had a keeper pomp, but hey, look, we're not gonna complain about this bite. We're probably gonna wrap it up here. I will add any additional footage if we get it, but just enjoy that view, my friends. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So, have a good one.